Hi, I'm Gloria Pierson, and I'm a certified life coach. So this is 21 days to a happier, more attractive you, and we are on day 9. And day 9 is designing a roadmap. But before we get into that, if you enjoy my videos, please hit that subscribe button, and remember, sharing is caring. Also, if you have any questions about anything in the 21 days, write them in the comments, and I will answer you and help you with it. But let's go ahead and get started. So today, day 9, is designing a roadmap. Now, the past videos have done a lot with helping with stress, getting you in touch with your heart, with your soul, connecting with Source. In the coming days, we're going to do some passion tests, what brings you joy, and some visualizations for what you want to bring into your life to make you happier, make you more attractive, raise your energy. But do you know where you want to go? Have you ever spent time? Have you ever spent time thinking about it? And basically, when I work with people, there are 4 areas that are the main things people want to change in their lives. Of course, there's others, but we're going to simplify it, and there's going to be 4. So the 4 we're going to talk about is love. That includes relationships, family, career, self-expression, health, or prosperity. Now, to me, these are the wheels, but the center of it is spirituality. And as you've seen, I've got a lot into the spiritual aspects because, in my opinion, without the spirituality, none of them will work. With the spirituality, it gives it a push. You're connecting with Source, and that's when miracles occur and changes occur in your life. Now, I always use the expression, you are the master of the ship of your mind and your life. You are the master of it. You have everything you need, and you are here for a unique purpose that nobody else can fulfill. Nobody. But do you just want to go along like a log going down a river? Or do you want to direct where you're going? Do you want to design your life? Or do you want to just whatever comes is okay? You can design it, and that's what we're going to talk about today is this roadmap so you know where you want to go. Viktor Frankl had a great thing that we can detect instead of invent what we want. And when you do these heart breathing, the connecting with soul, you can detect what it is you want to change in your life. Now, for this exercise to help design your roadmap, begin to design it, I want you to get a sheet of paper and put it in 4 blocks like this, 4 squares. One of them is love, one is health, one is career and self-expression, which might be hobbies, things you want to bring into your life. The other one is prosperity. And I want you to rate on a scale of 1 to 10, 1 being the least satisfied, 10 being the best satisfied with that part of your life. So I want you to rate those. And then after you rate them, think of one of these areas you want to change, and what do you want the change to be? Do you want a new job? Do you want to earn more money? Do you want to have somebody in your life that you love in a new relationship? Do you want to work on your marriage? If you're a student, do you want to improve your grades? So just pick one, and that is going to kind of be your mission statement. You could write it in a sentence, what you want. And by writing it, you're doing a big shout out to the universe. And in the coming days, we're going to do some visualizations, some affirmations, some other things. But you need to know where you want to go. So this is your roadmap. Now, if you have any questions about this, write them in the comments, and I will help you with it. But if you enjoy my videos, please hit that subscribe button and share this with anyone that you think might enjoy it. But I'll see you tomorrow.